Welcome to Shop Talk. This is Alex's Stihl 020T chainsaw after rebuilding it and doing some fine tuning, making a West Coast chainsaw. And I'll fire that up and let you listen to it. Running right at 13.7. I'll turn that down to about 12. We'll go out and make a couple test cuts with it. This saw will be disabled at the end of the video. This is not to be used for any type of wood cutting. Okay, we've got Alex's saw out here. This is approximately a 16-inch in the longest part of Doug fir. We're going to make a couple test cuts, and then the saw will be disabled at the end of the video. If you have any questions on these, give the chainsaw guy a call.